Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are bringing you a beautiful and inspiring collection of neck designs for ladies' dresses. The neckline is one of the most important details of any outfit because it can change the entire appearance of a dress. A beautiful neckline can make a simple outfit look elegant, stylish, traditional, or even luxurious. In today's collection, we will explore many different neck design ideas, including embroidered necklines, lace designs, pearl work, mirror work, stone embellishments, thread embroidery, cut work, beadwork, and modern neckline patterns. Let's begin with some simple and elegant neck designs. These styles are perfect for everyday wear, casual gatherings, and comfortable summer outfits. A simple embroidered border around the neckline can add a graceful touch without making the dress look too heavy. For lawn and cotton dresses, lightweight neck designs are a wonderful choice. You can use floral embroidery, delicate threadwork, small motifs, or beautiful lace around the neckline. These designs look fresh, neat, and comfortable. Next, let's talk about traditional embroidered neck designs. Embroidery can give your outfit a timeless and sophisticated appearance. Floral patterns, leaves, vines, geometric motifs, and traditional patterns can be beautifully arranged around the neckline. For a more luxurious look, you can add pearls, beads, stones, and sequins. These embellishments can instantly make the neckline more attractive. Pearl detailing is especially beautiful for formal and festive dresses because it gives the outfit a soft and elegant appearance. Another popular option is mirror work. Mirror work necklines can create a traditional and festive look. Small mirrors surrounded by colorful thread embroidery can make the neckline stand out beautifully. If you love a glamorous style, consider a stone and crystal neckline. Shiny stones arranged in delicate patterns can give a formal dress a sophisticated finish. These designs are suitable for weddings, parties, engagement events, and other special occasions. Now let's move towards lace neck designs. Lace is a simple way to decorate a neckline without adding too much weight. You can choose a thin lace border for a subtle look or a wider decorative lace for a more prominent design. Another beautiful idea is combining lace with embroidery. The combination of delicate embroidery and lace can create a very feminine and graceful neckline. For those who love modern fashion, there are many contemporary neck designs to choose from. Geometric shapes, layered borders, minimal embroidery, and clean patterns can give your dress a modern appearance. You can also experiment with different neckline shapes. Round necks, V-necks, square necks, boat necks, keyhole designs, and other styles can be decorated according to the fabric and overall design of the dress. A V-shaped neckline can look elegant with a simple embroidered border. A round neckline can be enhanced with floral embroidery or pearl detailing. A square neckline can look beautiful with lace, beads, or delicate stonework. For festive outfits, colorful embroidery can make a big difference. You can match the embroidery thread with the colors of your dress or create a contrasting design for a more noticeable effect. Now let's look at bridal neck designs. Bridal outfits often feature detailed embroidery and beautiful embellishments. A bridal neckline can include pearls, crystals, sequins, beads, zari work, and intricate embroidery. When designing a bridal neckline, it is important to maintain balance. If the neckline is heavily decorated, you can keep other parts of the dress slightly simpler. This allows the neckline to remain the main focus of the outfit. For party wear dresses, you can choose elegant combinations of sequins, stones, pearls, and embroidery. These materials reflect light beautifully and can give your outfit a festive appearance. Velvet dresses also look stunning with rich neckline designs. Golden or silver embroidery on velvet can create a luxurious and traditional look. For chiffon and silk dresses, delicate neck embroidery can add elegance without overpowering the soft fabric. Fine threadwork, pearls, and small stones can work beautifully with these materials. If you prefer a minimalist style, you don't need heavy decoration. Sometimes, a simple neckline with a neat embroidered border can look more sophisticated than an overly decorated design. You can also coordinate your neckline with the sleeves and daman. For example, if your neckline has floral embroidery, you can repeat small floral motifs on the sleeves and hem. This creates a complete and balanced look. Another creative idea is to use different embroidery techniques together. You can combine thread embroidery with beads, pearls with sequins, or lace with mirror work. The key is to keep the design balanced and suitable for the fabric. For younger and modern styles, small motifs around the neckline can create a trendy appearance. For traditional outfits, larger floral and cultural patterns can give the dress a classic feel. Choosing the right neckline also depends on the occasion. For everyday wear, choose simple and comfortable designs. For formal events, you can select richer embroidery and embellishments. For weddings and festive occasion, detailed neck designs can add extra elegance to your outfit. Color selection is also important. Golden embroidery looks beautiful with many traditional colors, while silver embellishments can create a cooler and more modern appearance. Multicolor threadwork is perfect for bright and festive outfits. Remember that a beautiful neck design does not always have to be complicated. Sometimes, a simple idea executed neatly can make the biggest impression. Before finalizing your design, consider the fabric, dress color, occasion, sleeve style, and overall embroidery pattern. A well-planned neckline should complement the entire outfit rather than compete with it. We hope this collection has given you plenty of inspiration for your next dress. Whether you love simple embroidery, traditional patterns, pearl work, mirror work, lace, or glamorous stone embellishments, there's a neck design for every style. If you enjoyed these beautiful neck design ideas, please like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more fashion inspiration. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you can stay updated with our latest dress designs, embroidery ideas, jewelry inspiration, and fashion trends. Thank you so much for watching. Keep exploring new styles, keep creating beautiful outfits, and stay connected for more amazing fashion ideas. See you in the next video. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are bringing you a beautiful and inspiring collection.